In this video, we'll get to know the user interface of GSpace software. Let's go through main application elements we see here. At the top, you see usual Windows buttons with pop-up menu, File, View, Tools and Help. In this menu you can save and load project. It contains several system tools and help. Below you see a ribbon bar where you can select element based on your current process. The Data Manager consists of all loaded and created database elements. Here is a View Manager where you can manage your views and its sets called workspaces. The Module Properties panel contains options and settings that determine the default values and processes' behavior. Actions is a window where you can see almost all the process which you can run in the software. Most of them are duplicated in the ribbon bar, but some of them you can find only here, especially the new features. The main bar helps you to manage your project. It has some options for workspace managing and database options for multi-user projects. The Views bar helps you to create new views that you can use to work with different types of data. For example, to see seismic section you need to go to Time or Depth menu and select the section you want to examine. The Seismic bar helps you to operate with loaded seismic data. It's supposed to work together with Seismic Data Workspace, which is one of two predefined workspaces for loading and quality control of seismic data. The Wells bar helps you to load and export different well data. It's supposed to work together with Wells Data Workspace, which is the second predefined workspace for loading and quality control of Wells data. Other bars have import and loading options, settings and processes according to its names. In the View Manager are located workspaces which are sets of views. As mentioned above, GSpace has two predefined workspaces where you can't add or remove views, seismic data and Wells data. You can create and set up other workspaces to analyze different types of data and switch between them. Each view has options bar in its upper part. Most of them do basic actions according its name. Set Control Item button determine actions for mouse buttons. You can set view parameters using Properties menu. In this menu there are two panels. View panel let you to set basic appearance setting. On the Vista panel you can set visual setting for all objects on the current view. Choose certain object in the Data Manager panel and setting for this object will appear. It's all the basic information about GSpace interface that will help you to get started quickly. For more information or to download your evaluation copy of GSpace, please visit us at geomage.com.